Hi, in this lab we work to demonstrate the use of arrays, objects and some inner functions with JavaScript. So here we were given a HTML page and we replaced it with a JavaScript function using a loop. And for this, let me explain from the data.js. Data.js consists of the countries array, which is having like 4 literals, and each has been defined, and we are going to use this array of elements in the function.js to display it on the browser page. So here we have written output country box where from which we are referencing each element from that array, that is countries of i.country, which is the country at 0th position and the country name. So this will be passing the whatever at the 0th position we are having the element that will be passed through that, and output country box will be calling the function in the functions.js. So here we have written output country box for individual box. So here first we write the document.write, where we have written an inner box. This is for the cities, which will be displaying the cities. So for this inner box we have written another output cities function. So upon output cities function which is called, it will go here, which is output cities. So here we have taken the again by referencing the array, we are taking the cities and the countries array, and we have written a for loop. So here document.write, here what it does is it automatically like clears the data whenever it's reloaded. So for each and every time it is refreshed, it will be with the new elements and it automatically clears it. So after writing the code for the output series, we have written for the output photos. So we have here two inner boxes. For those two inner boxes we have written output series and then output photos. So output photos, it again goes to the output photos function over here, where we are again referring the object elements, we are taking the image source from countries, and from there we have written a for loop which will be displaying the images and the photos that belongs in that division. So here console.log is going to output all the photos or images that belongs to that country, and here we can see that. So here we have called output country box, and then that is going to come and call the function.js, which will be calling two inner functions, and we have used the arrays. So in this lab we have clearly used and implemented the arrays, which is the countries, and then we have used these inner functions, which is output cities and output photos. Inner functions are nothing but a function which is written inside another function. So output country box is our main function, which is called from the markup page. The first one function from here, it is going to go into the JS function.js, where it is going to implement output country box and then output cities and output photos, and it is going to display the country names, cities that belongs to that country, and the images if it has any images. Thank you.